Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can adding sound to your video to seeing CapCut apps. So here I already have one video that will be added, and to add the sound, you can select you can select audio below. Just click on it. You can select sound. So here there appears the several options. So you can add the TikTok sound. You can select uh, sound, your sound from your files, from your library, or from from the CapCut sound available here. So for example, I'm going to add the audio from my files. Just click on from files and you can import your files, but I'm going to import it. I'm going to add imported file. So just click on it. Just click add. So the sound has been added and you can split and remove and use it. You can edit the sound. You can select fade to add a fade in or fade out for the sound. You can increase or decrease the sound, and you can also add a beat, speed, and reduce noise. So that's it. That's all. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it already. Thank you so much for watching.